never seen fried chicken this cute.
You're no longer the woman he's out here embarrassing. That's a win.
This one's for the spicy lovers.
This new restaurant in LA has matcha mac and cheese, and I couldn't get here fast enough. Oh my god. Y'all. I can't even lie. This is dangerous.
Oh my gosh, this is so weird.
It tastes surprisingly good though.
Let me try some.
He say he wants you, but he took you to Chili's on the first date. Be so fucking for real.